It's hot as hell in here.
Yeah, it is. I sure hope.
I got all the windows shut.
Yeah. Ooh, soap. Sam's gonna enjoy the soap. If it leaks, should I cover the camera so it doesn't? Okay. Oh, and there's the water blocking my field of Sam. My view of him. Oh.
We're gonna lose sight of Sam here in a second.
Oh no. Sam.
But we'll get him when he comes out.
Look at him, he's happy. Those don't sound like a lot of fun for Sam. There he is. Oh, that's gonna hit him. Maybe.
I'm actually getting wet here. What the fuck is going on?
I haven't gotten wet yet. Oh no. I can't see him. Oh god, he's not enjoying himself at all. I'm not sure if the camera got that, but he did not seem to be having that great of a time. I can't see him at all. Oh, there he is. And the dryer. He's happy. Oh, jeez. There's debris.
I'm so glad I didn't clean out the back of my truck.
Well, wasn't that fun?
Have to go and park.